Good morning, Dr. Gary on the road. We are dental practice brokers nationwide. And our topic today is relevant tax returns the bank needs when selling your dental office. So let's talk about this today in a minute. We're now in 26 states. We just opened up Texas, selling dental practices nationwide. We have a staff of 10 employees, and we've been doing this for 12 years now. I was a dentist for 25. All the information you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes. It's not legal or business advice. Our number is 201-663-0935. 201-663-0935. There are no fees to buyers when you work with us, as far as our fee goes. There is no fee, no commission, no charge, no cost. Anyway, our number is 201-663-0935, and its dental practice guide is our website. So check it out. If you want to sell to a DSO, please call us first. We work with them all. They pay our commission, and sometimes we can get, based on criteria, we can get your legal fees reimbursed. So a lot of activity going on out there. We can help you. We know how to go through the maze of the different DSOs and which one would fit you best. They pay our commission, not costing you anything, so we could be in your corner. Anyway, so about tax returns and which are the most relevant ones. It's going to be, especially after the pandemic, the majority of consideration and analysis is on year 2021, and first quarter 2020. They will look at 19 and 20. However, the majority is on 21, first quarter 22. Now, if you think because you did fantastic in 16, 17, 18, that should count towards the value of your practice as a seller, unfortunately, it doesn't, because the banks and the buyers feel they want the most relevant information. Now, that could help in marketing to some extent, that it shows that the practice is capable of producing that. But in reality, when they look at 18, 17, 16, it shows you now have declining revenues. Banks do not want to see declining revenues. Nobody wants to see it. So even though you did great back then, it's not going to enhance the value of the practice. It's all year 2021, first quarter of 22 right now, because it's April. That's where you are with that. You can't look in the past and say, I have a great practice. Look how great I did in the past as a seller, and therefore my practice is worth more money because of the potential. Or you say, oh, the only reason the gross is down is because I purposely slowed down, or I got sick, or there was an issue. Well, it just goes. They really are valuing your practice on what it's producing in the last couple of years. So that's where it's all at with that. Secondly, when they value practices, they don't see the inside of your office, the location, the equipment. That is the bank. It's all done on a cash flow formula. So the inside of the office may be spectacular, so it makes it more marketable, certainly. And that's what inspired the buyer to buy it, to purchase it. And, we'll tell the bank that it doesn't need renovations. It's a Class A, incredible office. That really makes it more marketable. It makes the buyer want to purchase it and possibly pay a little bit more, but not necessarily the bank to offer that much more. Again, a cash flow formula is how everything works. And you got to be aware of this. So please call us if you have any questions about this. I know a lot of sellers can't get over the fact that they're purposely slowing the practice down because they're getting older, but they trying to get the buyer to look at the previous years, 4 or 5 years ago, and say, look how great the practice was back then. It just doesn't work. And that's what's happening. All right? So bear that in mind. Thank you so much. Signing off, Dr. Gary. We got Easter coming up. one of the days I don't answer the phone. As you know, we answer the phone 363 days a year. We take off Christmas and Easter. So we're looking forward to hearing from you. Call us if you have questions. Your buyer, your seller, we'll chat with you. There's no charge. Free consultation. We love what we do. We'll be at it. We have no plans ever to retire. So hang in there with us. Thank you. Bye.